Unlocking the mystery. It's like a siren, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. It's like a siren. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. First, let's break down the literal meaning. A siren is a device that makes a loud, warning sound. You might have heard it on emergency vehicles like ambulances, police cars, or fire trucks. However, sirens aren't just modern inventions. The term also refers to mythical creatures from ancient Greek mythology. Sirens were believed to be creatures, often depicted as being part woman, part bird, who lured sailors with their enchanting music and voices to shipwreck on the rocky coast of their island. When someone says, "It's like a siren," they're usually not talking about emergency vehicles or mythical creatures. Instead, they're using the phrase metaphorically. This expression can mean that something is irresistibly attractive and draws people in, often leading to a negative outcome. It's similar to how the sirens of Greek mythology lured sailors to their doom. Examples in context. Irresistible temptation. The allure of fast food is like a siren to me, even though I know it's not good for my health. Dangerous attraction. Investing in that scheme was like a siren call. It promised much but led to disaster. Using this phrase effectively can add depth to your communication. Here are some tips. 1. Context is key. Use it when talking about something that's tempting or attractive but potentially harmful. 2. Emphasize the contrast. Highlight the attraction and the possible negative consequences. 3. Pair with descriptive language. Enhance your conversation with adjectives that convey the allure and the danger. Understanding and using phrases like, "It's like a siren," can make your English richer and more expressive. It allows you to communicate complex ideas succinctly and vividly. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the beauty and depth of English expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.